So this is how it ends, man against machine. It's the finest fist fight the world has ever seen. Should have stayed at home, but your loyalty is torn. Living after midnight, rocking till the dawn. Sitting at your throne, looking mighty brave. If you leave me alone, I'll jump into your grave. Times will change just around the bend. This is how it ends. Then a crowd begins to form, see you at your best. A multitude of late nights to put you to the test. You're a cold and empty shell left upon the shelf, boxing with the shadows of your former self. Higher that you climb, the further you will fall. Traveling through time doesn't hurt at all. Times will change just around the bend. This is how it ends. And people come and people go. Some of them I got to know, others fall right through my net. Something that I won't regret. If you will remember me, in your eyes I want to be a man that grew up big and proud, living fast and living loud. Higher that you climb, further you will fall. Traveling through time doesn't hurt at all. Time's about to change just around the bend. This is how it ends, right where we began. This is how it ends. Thank you very much, very kind. This is a song called Accept Me. They've got a lot to say, I heard it all today, and something is happening here. They light your cigarette, you haven't smoked it yet. Nothing is happening here. Look at me now, touched by the crowd, sleeping with people you don't know. Stare at the sunlight, spit at the moonlight, keeping your limelight way down low. Because everyone's guilty inside, and everyone tells you a lie, and everyone's guilty inside except me. And I'm taking a walk down the wrong road, I'm trying to carry a large load. Everyone I heard it all today, and something is happening here, 'cause I've rearranged, I'm subject to change, I've taken control of everything, I'm bent out of shape, I'm at my own wake, I'm rubbing my eyes with golden rings, because everyone's guilty inside, and everyone tells you a lie, and everyone's guilty inside except me, except me, except me, except me.
Thank you very much. This is a song called Dirty Bird.
Something just ain't right as she left that night. Got some business to do. Kissed him on the cheek, he'll be back next week. So she waits by the phone every night and every day, screaming down the motorway, doesn't have a lot to say. Puts the kids to bed, wets the baby's head, gives the taxi a call. Tears run down her cheek, he'll be back next week. She leaves a note for him in the hall. 'Cause every night and every day, screaming down the motorway, doesn't have a lot to say. Never even says a word, at least nothing that could be heard. Deep down he's a dirty bird. Running in against the tide, trying to catch my breath again. I'm praying for the other side, breathing in and out again, watching your maker choke on every word. Something just ain't right as she left that night. Got some business to do. Every night and every day, screaming down the motorway, doesn't have a lot to say. Never even says a word, at least nothing that could be heard. Deep down he's a dirty bird. She's like a window in a dark place, turned your night to day. I had to look away. A tall figure standing in the foreground is coming right your way. Baby, it's okay, we'll fall in love another day.
Thank you. Thank you. The crowd's getting bigger. I'll keep playing. It'll be full by the time we finish. This is a song about busking, really. I used to busk quite a lot when I was a young lad. It's called Your Day Begins Again.
You wake up staring at the sun. You feel like something's missing. You search the corners of your mind for any thoughts you left behind. Travel through another day. Close your eyes to find your way. You let your feet take you to town. They know the friendly places. With £2.30 in your hand, you pay to see the one-man band. He plays a few old songs you know. You shake his hand before you go. And that's when you'll see the change in my face, watching my eyes roll out into space. I'm shining my light all over the place, and then your day begins again. The candle won't refuse to burn because the lights are on. Like I won't stop the things I do because you tell me that it's wrong. Forget the anger and the pain. You've got to live again. And that's when you'll hear the change in my voice. I throw up my hands, but not out of choice. I'm finding a million ways to rejoice, and then your day begins again. You find it hard to speak 7 days a week. Such a strain on your friends. Searching for the line never comes in time. Oh. That's when you'll see the change in my face, watching my eyes roll out into space. I'm shining my light all over the place, and then your day begins again. That's when you'll hear the change in my voice. I throw up my hands, but not out of choice. I'm finding a million ways to rejoice, and then your day begins again.
Thank you very much. I'm going to play you a new song. I just got back from holiday, hence my fantastic tan. You can't, it's faded as it does on the plane. Just got back from Sri Lanka, and I was lying on a beach, and haven't written a song for a long time, but this kind of came to me. I don't know what it's about, but I'm going to play it to you now. Forgive me if I mess it up. Save my number, write it on your wall.
Take my soul and steal my thunder. Why not take it all? And the feeling's going strong, and the feeling seems so wrong. I keep on saying to myself, the ending won't take long. 'Cause when I want somebody, I call myself. Oh, I wish I was someone else, taking just a minute to find my way. Oh, I wish I had more to say. Wave your flag and please surrender. Rock me to my core. Box your thoughts and keep your memories locked behind your door. And it keeps on ticking on, but in time it makes you strong. I keep on saying to myself, the ending won't take long. 'Cause when I want somebody, I call myself. Oh, I wish I was someone else, taking just a minute to find my way. Oh, I wish I had more to say. When I want somebody, I call myself. Oh, I wish I was someone else.
Thank you. This is my attempt at a country and western song.
Left my worries by the road, tipped my hat and made my way home. I'm guided by the bedroom light. My confidence took flight and led me to your window. Lord, I've been there once before. I laid my head against her front door. I raised my arm to ring the bell, fell back into my shell and crawled along the floor. 'Cause everybody looks the same as me, only guided by their dignity, yeah. Lying naked in their single bed. In my head I dream I'm coming home. Left my worries by the road. I tipped my head and made my way home. I'm guided by the bedroom light. My confidence took flight and led me to your window. Everybody looks the same as me, everybody looks the same as me, everybody looks the same. Lying in your single bed. In my head I dream she's coming home.
Thank you. This is a song I wrote with my band many years ago. I used to be in a band called the Scooters Cardiff Band, if anyone's old enough to remember us. This is a song I wrote with the Scooters called RPM Adrenaline. 30 days working double time, wishing you could stick in where the sun don't shine. Dirty days working on your back, wishing you could think until a heart attack. Digging for dignity, I broke my back. You're working your way towards heart attacks. There's gotta be more than this, so they say. I run out of eyes to kiss. It's time I was on my way. Saturday will blow our pay. You'll find 1,000 ways to waste the day. And with the RPM adrenaline, it's gonna take 7 men to hold me down. Seven days working double time, wishing you could stick it where the sun don't shine. Staring at the mirror in your face, wishing your reflection would just take your place. Digging for dignity, I broke my back. You're working your way towards heart attacks. There's gotta be more than this, so they say. I run out of eyes to kiss. Time I was on my way. Saturday will blow our pay. We'll find 1,000 ways to waste the day. And with the RPM adrenaline, it's gonna take 7 men to hold me down. Hold me down. Hold me down. Thank you. 5 minutes left. One last song, ladies and gentlemen. There's a song called Mid-Afternoon. It's May, mid-afternoon, sat in a bar, licking your coffee spoons. Your head in a book, no one around, nobody makes a sound. No one else around. You pray day after day that you'll never get stuck for intelligent things to say. Nobody cares, nobody stares, nobody looks your way.
nothing more to say. It's getting bright. I really need you tonight. The world is not right, and I think about it all of the time. Are you still mine? You pray day after day that you'll never get stuck from intelligent things to say. Nobody cares, nobody stares, nobody looks your way. There's nothing more to say. It's getting bright. I really need you tonight. Not right, and I think about it all of the time. Are you still mine?
Thanks very much. I was Chris Kelly.